The Westinghouse WPX3600 Gas Pressure Washer is equipped with 3,600 pounds per square inch and 2.7 gallons per minute, making it perfect for tackling the toughest cleaning tasks. Its powerful 212 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine and maintenance-free triplex brass head pump ensure long-lasting, reliable performance. The 5 interchangeable nozzle tips ranging from 0 to 40 degrees, along with a built-in 3-liter soap tank, provide versatility for various cleaning jobs on surfaces like brick, concrete, and wood. Designed with a durable steel frame and 12-inch high-profile wheels, the WPX3600 offers excellent maneuverability, even in challenging areas. The 35-foot abrasion-resistant hose and lightweight spray gun allow for extended reach and comfort during use. With a 3-year limited warranty, the Westinghouse WPX3600 promises dependable service and peace of mind for all your outdoor cleaning needs.